Welcome to the ListsGenie. One of the most time-consuming challenges on Etsy is creating the right product titles, descriptions, and tags. Without proper SEO-optimized content, your products won't appear in search results, and your chances of making sales drop significantly. This is where ListsGenie makes all the difference. By simply uploading your product images, you can generate SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags with just one click. And the best part? These listings are automatically created in multiple languages. No more hours of research, no more guessing which keywords will work best. ListsGenie does the heavy lifting for you, finding the most effective search terms and making your products visible to a global audience. With multi-language support, your products can be listed in English, Turkish, Dutch, and many more languages. That means every customer sees your store in their own language, making them far more likely to buy. Studies show that listings created in multiple languages can increase sales by up to 15x. Why? Because each country has different search habits, and ListsGenie tailors your listings to match them perfectly. Here's how the packages work. Free and basic plans support English only. The growth plan includes 5 languages. And the professional plan supports more than 10 languages for full global reach. With ListsGenie,